So welcome back to Franklin Friday, episode 25. So this episode marks our 2nd year anniversary, and this is crazy to me. So I want to start by saying a huge thank you to everyone who's given that continuous support by sharing those amazing stories, because you're the force behind this. To celebrate, we're adding a special 2nd anniversary award today, picking a standout case from the past year to win a brand new GoPro. So I'll be announcing that lucky winner at the end of this episode. Have you noticed our homes are turning into massive energy hogs? Between EVs, ACs, and home offices, a modern home needs at least 20 kilowatts of continuous power to run smoothly. Having an undersized battery means you can't save on power bills, and when those summer outages hit, you're left sweating with a useless battery system. To smash this bottleneck, the FranklinWH aPower combo pairs batteries to deliver up to 20 kilowatts of continuous power. Thanks to its parallel architecture, if one battery temporarily goes down, the others are completely unaffected and keep your whole system running. Now this means your AC and electric vehicle chargers stay powered even during those summer blackouts with zero compromises. The best part about a FranklinWH system is that it avoids a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, it offers 4 highly flexible modular configurations tailored to different home setups. If your home already has solar panels but lacks storage, a pair of aPower 2 battery units is a perfect match. Now this system is completely solar inverter agnostic, meaning you don't need to rip out your original solar setup. You just add batteries for robust storage. Since it utilizes an external inverter, you can easily update your hardware in the future without affecting your battery investment. If you've lived in your home for a while and you realize you need more power, wanting to add both more solar panels and more batteries, well, to solve that, you would add an aPower 2 and an aPower S to bridge that gap. Now this will seamlessly integrate new solar arrays and extend storage with your existing FranklinWH system. The aPower 2 and the aPower S combination is also ideal for new solar projects under 20 kilowatts. It supports a direct solar to battery connection with a plug-and-play design. Now this significantly cuts down installation time and keeps your wall clean and free of cluttered components. A pair of aPower S battery units is good for the heavier duty, large-scale solution. Each aPower S can handle up to 20 kilowatts of DC solar input. For users with highly complex roof layouts, separate buildings, small farms, or light commercial properties, the multiple solar input channels capture sunlight from every angle, which maximizes your solar self-consumption, especially during peak summer months. The long-term financial savings are massive. Finally, let's talk about scalability. The FranklinWH system allows a single A-gate smart energy management center to stack up to 15 units. Now this will reach a massive 225 kilowatt hours of storage capacity. That is a lot of aPowers. Even if you plan to buy a second or third electric vehicle down the road, the system has the space to grow right alongside your family's needs. Even better, it features excellent backwards compatibility. Now, if you're an early adopter who owns a previous generation of our aPower X, you won't be left behind. You can easily expand your system's power and the capacity by adding the latest aPower 2 or aPower S units. To wrap it up, the FranklinWH aPower combo completely redefines what home storage can do, moving far beyond that old stereotype of a battery acting merely as an emergency flashlight. And now, our June photo and video challenge is officially open. We love seeing how FranklinWH systems are powering homes across the country, and we want to showcase your story. Whether it's a clean installation photo, a creative video, or just a real-life moment featuring your FranklinWH system, we would love to see it. So simply share your best photos or videos for a chance to win this month's premium gift package. We'll be featuring selected submissions throughout the month and announcing the winner on our social media channels, so be sure to follow along. Congratulations to Green Convergence for winning our monthly award, a green aPower for a greener future. Congratulations to Sunergy Systems for receiving our special award. As a token of appreciation, you've won an exclusive FranklinWH gift package. Congratulations to Renew Energy Solutions for receiving our quarterly award. Congratulations to Serenity Electric LLC for receiving our annual award. Thank you for your incredible support and for sharing project case studies with us almost every month throughout the past year. Both of you have won our brand new GoPro We hope it helps you capture and share even more amazing FranklinWH installations. Now get creative, share your experience, and show us how FranklinWH is powering your energy freedom. Good luck, and we can't wait to see your entries.